Hello, I'm Julius and I'm the owner of Phone Fix Craft. So today I'm going to show you how I clean and repair a damaged iPhone. My job is actually phone repairs, including micro soldering and data recovery, stuff like that. And the cleaning is just, it's not that it's a huge part of our business. It's just fixed phones that we see that they need some cleaning. So the first step, you have to remove those two bottom screws, which every iPhone has. We open up the screen. The phone had a broken screen, and the owner of this phone used it for a good while with that broken screen. So all the internals of the phone were exposed to whatever was in customer's pocket. So it's actually a fire hazard. So we try to remove every loose bit from the inside of the phones. But once it's loose, I would use compressed air like a gun. The dirtiest parts would be the charging port on all kinds of phones, not only iPhones. But actually, it doesn't look dirty if you just look at it with naked eye. And the microscope I have here it's my most loved tool. It's gonna come with me when I die. I would just clean every phone, every speaker, every earpiece, and every charging port under this microscope. This tool we use for charging port cleaning is something similar to a metal toothpick. It's just a little bit thinner and then sharper. So now I'm going to clean years worth of pocket lint and dust from this charging port that experiencing charging issues. The charging ports would be usually filled with pocket lint from your jeans, and then whatever is in your pocket really. If you had a cookie there, you would have some crumbs or something like that. You can see, what color threads, trousers or pants. I'm not sure in the United States the trousers or pants. So what you see here is actually the contents of a charging port, of what we usually would find there. So it's just a pocket lint really, pocket lint and dust. I would use the same tool that I use for cleaning charging ports to clean the really heavy clogged speakers as well. We do get phones that are really dirty and messed up, but for us it's just normal, Medics are not surprised by injuries or something like that. It's their job, so for us it's yeah. So on this phone the battery has already started to swell, and customer agreed to get it replaced. We removed the battery. We attached the new pull tabs to a new battery. We just need to apply a new display adhesive before putting everything back together. So once the screen is pressed back into the frame, we just need to put the last two screws in, and it's ready to be cleaned before giving it back to the customer. You just have to solve a puzzle, to get the thing working, and this is especially rewarding if some few other shops deemed it unfixable. And then it comes to you, and you accept the challenge, and you actually get that fixed. It's nice. That's what I really love.